Say goodbye to bloating with a simple, ancient technique. In traditional Chinese medicine, belly rubbing is a time-honored remedy for digestive woes. By gently rubbing your belly in a clockwise motion, you can stimulate the flow of qi, or energy, through your digestive system. In a clockwise direction, you follow the natural flow of the large intestine, which aids in digestion and promotes the elimination of gas and waste. You should apply enough pressure to feel the movement of your abdominal muscles, but not so much that it causes discomfort. Aim to do this 200 times a day. This practice not only helps reduce bloating, but also improves digestion and alleviates gas and constipation. Massaging your abdomen can also be deeply relaxing, helping to reduce stress and anxiety, which are often contributors to digestive issues like bloating. It also enhances overall health and vitality. So, next time you're feeling bloated, remember, a little belly rub might be all you need. Happy rubbing!